Hello everyone, I am Saloni Uppal from the Young Minds family. I am in class 8. As you all know that today is 14th November, this day is celebrated as Children's Day, which marks the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The sweetest period of anyone's life is their childhood. A very happy Children's Day to all the wonderful kids. Pandit Nehru had immense love for children and believed that children are the future of the nation, so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly. At the Young Minds, our intention is to provide 21st century quality education to all our students. Our students are confident, creative, logical, and purposeful, and they come from different schools like PMS, KCM, DPS, St. Mary's, Gilgutta, and DPS. We, the Young Minds family, are a unique, innovative education and development center at A540 Lajpat Nagar. Once again, I, Saloni Uppal, on behalf of the Young Minds family, wishes all a very happy Children's Day.